I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop your iPhone or iPad from automatically switching to other connected Bluetooth devices. And to be clear, this option will only be available if you're using iOS 26 or newer on your Apple device. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap General in this menu. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap AirPlay and Continuity. Associated options are displayed. Step 3. Tap to toggle on Keep Audio with Headphones. Going forward, your iPhone or iPad will no longer automatically switch to playing audio through other connected Bluetooth devices whenever they are detected while you're in the middle of listening to something. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.